Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the UGREEN Travel Bag. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a UGREEN Travel Bag, and just taking a look around its box packaging. And at the underside of the box there is some product information as well as business information. Now let's go ahead and open up the box by cutting apart the clear sticky tape that's keeping the box flat sealed. And popping open the box flap and taking a look directly in the box packaging. Let's lift out the UGREEN Travel Bag, which appears to be wrapped in wrapping paper from its box packaging, and then lifting out the rest of the contents from its box. Now just setting the box to the side, just setting it on the left hand side of the table and spreading the contents which we've just removed from the UGREEN Travel Bag's box packaging and setting them on the tabletop so you have a full and clear view at the items. And let's start off by taking a look at this little pamphlet or booklet here, which is the user instructions for the UGREEN Travel Bag. And we can see that the print is really small, but just bringing the user instructions or user manual closer to the camcorder so you can see the details printed on it. And on the reverse side as well there is some warranty information. Now just setting that user guide or user instructions to the side and moving on to the case itself. So we can see that the case is wrapped in thin wrapping paper or gift packaging. Now let's unwrap it. To reveal the UGREEN Travel Bag, and just setting that paper to the side and giving you a look at this UGREEN Travel Bag. So it measures 18 centimeters long, 8 centimeters deep, and 12 centimeters tall. So giving you a look at the overall details, and of course setting the bag down so you have a full and clear look, unobstructed, with my fingers and hands out of the way. So giving you a look right there at all the details of this UGREEN Travel Bag or storage bag or carry pouch. I'm going to do a 360 rotation so you have a continuous and full view of this bag. And of course giving you a look at its sides as well. And now taking a close-up look so you can see at the front middle there is the UGREEN stamped or embossed into the front of the front panel, and taking a look at the other details. So we can see that it does have a nylon carry strap right there, giving you a look at the details, and of course the zipper as well. So we can see that the zipper has a UGREEN branded pull tab on its slider, and just giving you a look right there at the details up close. And it seems to be made from hard rubber, and just giving you a look at the all-round details so we can see the stitching, and of course that the zipper is covered as well. So Right there, the overall details, and of course closer in, the graining of the polyester material in which this travel bag is made out of. So right there, giving you an all-round look, and of course for some sense of scale and size, resting the UGREEN travel bag in my hand, and of course placing my hand over it as well to give you some sense of its size. So 18 centimeters long across the length of the bag. Okay, so now let's go ahead and open it up by sliding the slider along its zipper that goes from one side to the other, and you can see there is some packing material in there. Let's remove them. So packing foam, as well as what appears to be 2 packets of silica gel or desiccant. Make sure you keep that away from babies, children and animals. And just giving you a look right inside this travel bag or travel pouch. So you can see that it does have this overall soft but firm structure and shape. And on the inside we can see that there is lining as well as a mesh net or pouch towards the rear of the travel bag, and towards the front panel just a plain lining on that side. So giving you a look all around at this UGREEN travel bag. So flat bottom on the inside, and then mesh net at the back panel. So right there, the overall look of this water resistant travel bag. And just fisting it to give you once again some sense of the size and giving you some scale as well. Placing my hand inside this travel bag or travel pouch, and of course the carry or hand strap as well, which seems to have a fixed stitching with that loop for carrying and keeping the bag secured to your wrist. Now let's zip it closed, and just taking another look again up close at the overall details, and you can see that very fine and random graining of this polyester material of this UGREEN travel bag, and that very consistent stitching throughout. So right there, giving you a look once again at the overall structure and design of this bag. So that's the UGREEN travel bag. Thanks for watching and happy carrying!